Revolutionary AI smart glasses are changing lives for low vision users. Envision's Ally Solos are here. Stay with GadInsider for the game-changing tech scoop. Hey GadInsider crew! Envision's Ally Solos glasses use AI to read, translate, and describe the world for blind and low vision users. Let's dive into this accessibility breakthrough. Envision and Solos have teamed up to launch Ally Solos glasses, designed for blind and low vision users. These camera-equipped glasses read text, translate, describe surroundings, recognize people and objects, and even search the web, all via open-ear speakers in the ear stems. Pre-orders start at $399, a discount from $699 in regular or large sizes and 3 colors: black, gray, or brown. Shipping set for October 2025. The glasses connect to an iOS or Android Ally app via Bluetooth, delivering AI-powered info through speakers. With an IP67 rating for dust and water resistance, they offer 16 hours of active use on a USB-C charge with a 90-minute full charge or 15-minute fast charge for 3 hours. Envision's prior Google Glass-based eyewear set the stage, and Ray-Ban's Meta's AI features already won over low-vision fans. These glasses are pushing boundaries for independence. With pre-orders live, fans are hyped for Ally Solos' potential to empower low-vision communities. Will they outshine competitors like Ray-Ban Meta or set a new standard? Could this spark more accessible tech? With October shipping looming, the low-vision community is watching closely for a life-changing drop. That's the tea on Envision's Ally Solos smart glasses. Are these a must-have for accessibility? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for the hottest tech scoops.